Welcome back to Birding by Sound with Rachel. Today we're going to talk about the song and calls of the Ruby-crowned Kinglet. The Ruby-crowned Kinglet is this tiny, hyperactive, ultra-adorable bird right here. The song of the Ruby-crowned Kinglet is surprisingly loud and varied. It begins with high, clear notes that lead into a jumbled series of twittering notes. Let's take a listen. The Ruby-crowned Kinglet's most common call is a harsh, two-noted scold given repeatedly. Let's take a listen. Before we go, let's hear both of those again. Thank you so much for listening. Please let me know in the comments if there are any bird 2 sounds you're curious about.